Welcome to our channel Circuits Analytica. In this video, we will discuss problems on network functions. For the following network, find the transfer function V2 divided by V1. To find transfer function V2 by V1, we have to write an expression for V1 in terms of V2, where V1 is the input voltage and V2 is the output voltage of the two-port network. Let us start from the output, moving towards the input port. We can write VB is equal to V2, equation number 1. Apply KCL at the output. We can write IB is equal to VB divided by 1 as I2 is equal to 0. Or we can write IB is equal to VB. And as VB is equal to V2, we can write IB is equal to V2, equation number 2. Apply KVL in the highlighted loop. We can write VA is equal to S into IB plus VB, where S into IB is the voltage drop across the inductor of value S. As VB is equal to V2 and as IB is equal to V2, we can write VA is equal to S into V2 plus V2. Or we can write VA is equal to S plus 1 into V2. Equation number 3. Apply KCL at the input. We will get I1 is equal to IB plus VA divided by 1, where VA divided by 1 is the current flow through the leftmost 1 ohms resistor. So we can write I1 is equal to S plus